Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogtober day 6? Is today the 6th? Okay. Yes. Happy Vlogtober day number 6. We are getting ready to head to church. Do you have any words you want to say? That was lovely. That was lovely. Anyway, we are getting ready to head to church. I think we're gonna grab some Starbucks and breakfast somewhere. I'm not really sure. Then we're gonna go to church. Then we have to go to children's church because we're gonna sing. And I probably won't vlog anything at church just because I just won't. Dixie wants me to like kick her toy. So I'll probably vlog after church. And actually my camera is saying it's the battery is saying it's kind of low. So I'm gonna charge the battery and then I'll vlog when I get home. So yeah, but I wanted to start off today's vlog. Today's gonna be a great day. My new printer gets here, so I'm so excited about that. And I'll show you guys when it gets here and all that jazz. But for now, I'm gonna go so I can go to church. It's like, the lighting is so, okay, I think that that's better. So anyway, I'm going to charge the battery, go to church, and then I'll show you guys what we end up doing the rest of the day. Okay, you guys, we just got home from church and lunch. It's like 4:15 and my new printer is here. So I'm so excited. We're gonna get it set up and ready to go. This is the printer that I went with. So in case you guys are wondering, here's the printer that I'm gonna be using. Hopefully it's gonna be great. The reviews were great. It does have drivers for the Mac, which you guys know if you've been watching my videos, that has been the issue. And also, let me show you guys. It uses the exact same ink as my old one. So that's pretty awesome because I actually have leftover ink from my old one. So I don't have to like feel like I'm wasting that. But yeah, my printer is here and it's time to set it up. Also, we still have that big box and that box, and I still haven't opened my Grove box. So there's that. Anyway, I feel like not a lot has happened in this vlog because we went to church and I had to leave my camera here because the battery needed to charge. I feel like I'm out of breath. Sorry guys. And so we just got home. We weren't planning on being out this late, but it's Sunday. Sometimes that happens. So yeah. But we are going to be setting up the printer, so that's gonna like save today's daily vlog because, you know, I also really need to edit yesterday's vlog because I haven't yet. So I just have a lot to do. And unfortunately, I won't be able to really edit that until James gets my printer set up because he's gonna need to use my computer. But I'll probably just end up editing and uploading while he's playing video games tonight. Because I don't want to like take up the whole afternoon working on that and not like hanging out with him. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. So the video will be up later today, but you know, it's all good. Anyway, so James is outside with Dixie right now and then he'll set up my printer. I'm so excited, you guys. It's just been too long since I worked on sticker stuff. Wow, I'm stumbling over my words. It's been too long, but I'm happy that we're gonna get back to a regular schedule this week. Yeah, that's pretty much all that's going on. I will let you guys know when we get this printer set up and show you guys and talk about it because I know a lot of people want to know about this printer and they want to make sure that everything's good. So just letting you guys know everything should be good with this printer and I'm in a much better mindset than I was earlier this week. So, but I do appreciate everybody's like sweet words and just caring about me. It really means a lot. I had so many people saying, you know, that they just want to send me hugs and like, you know, they felt really bad, but it's okay. I'm okay. And I really do appreciate all of your kind words. So anyway, all right, I will show you guys when we get the printer set up. There it is, guys, in all of its glory. It's a pretty big printer. It's actually, do you think it's smaller than the Pro 100, right?
Yeah, it's smaller than the Pro 100.
It's smaller than this one.
I mean, it's about as wide though, but definitely not as tall.
Yeah. There it is. Isn't it beautiful? Do you think it's beautiful, babe? No, it's beautiful. Say it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
All right, so he's gonna set that up for me, and then we're gonna make some beautiful stickers. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you the issue I had with the other printer, because I said I would show you guys what I'm talking about, because a lot of people didn't know what I was talking about. So I went to the Canon website, and this is the printer that I just got. And if you scroll down, you can click on drivers, and you can download the different drivers. Like, there's a couple of different options here. Let me zoom you guys in. I'm gonna download that one, but first I'm gonna show you guys what the issue was. So my other printer that I had was the TS series, and it was the 9120 right here. So click on it, and if you scroll down, wait, scroll too far, sorry, I'm trying to look through the camera. If you go to drivers and downloads, there's no driver. You can download software, but no driver. So that was the issue that I was having. I know a lot of people were super confused by it and like didn't understand what I was talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And I like those drivers because I can change the colors, and I know there's other ways to do it, but it's just so much easier to do it through this. So I'm gonna get that downloaded. James is putting everything together, and then it should be a pretty easy setup because it has what I need. So I'll be able to just put in my settings. I don't know if my settings from my old one are gonna work exactly the same. I may have to change them up a little bit, but at least I'm able to do that, which makes me super happy. Also, please ignore the mess in the office. You guys know I showed you I showed you last week or a couple days ago that the office was such a mess, but it happens, and we will get it cleaned up later. But right now we just have to get the printer back up and running so I can get stickers back up and running so I can actually work this week. So okay, we got the printer set up. We're sending the first sticker sheet to print to see if I got all the settings right. I feel so much better about life. Well, I will when this prints and it looks good. So it's printing right now. But I'm gonna show you guys what I mean when I like change the settings, because again, I don't think anybody really knew what I was talking about, but I'll show you guys. So when I go here to print, I already have like my presets set out, but like let's say I was on default settings, okay? I would go here and like it gives me all these options. Like I can pick which photo paper and the print quality. I can adjust like the colors, like the brightness. I can like do different things here, and all of those things help get really nice quality for stickers. So I highly recommend, if you can get drivers with whatever printer you're using, to definitely get them, because then you can go in and change all this stuff and make the print quality just a little bit better. Well, actually a lot better. Now I just have to wait and see how this one looks. I printed one that I have a page from my old printer so I can kind of compare and see like what I need to adjust and all that. So from here it looks pretty good. So hoping that it's like the same. Yes. Yes, I'm so happy. Okay, so I'm gonna compare this to my old sheet, but it pretty much, from memory, it pretty much looks the same, but I actually need to like check it out. So here's what it looked like on the old printer, and here's what it looks like on the new printer. Pretty much the same. It's a little dark, so I am gonna have to change like the intensity of it, but like it looks pretty darn good. But I am gonna have to make it like a little bit brighter and pop a little bit more. But I feel like the actual pictures though look crisper. I don't know. I'll have James be the judge here. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. This is old, this is new. Obviously you already knew that. I think I'm just gonna have to change like the intensity because it's a little darker, but it looks pretty good to me. And like the new one looks super crisp, What do you think?
I don't know that I would say it's darker so much as I feel like the colors are just a little bit more like full, you know?
Yeah, maybe.
It is like it's darker, but I don't feel like it's
because it's dark, just because it's like.
I feel like it's like because it's closer to like the actual.
What it's actually supposed to look like.
Yeah, like I think they look better. Yeah, I don't know. This does look like.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It just like looks a little bit darker, but it could be just like
the intensity might be too much. I might still be putting a little too much ink, you know, or something like that. Or
that's
the
what I was saying.
Might be too high.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to like play with that, but there's hope. I'm so happy.
Like, I think this pattern here, I like the way it came out.
Yeah.
But this definitely looks better here than, because like here it kind of just looks like a blob, where here you can kind of see like the shadowing.
Yeah, but overall, doesn't the crispness of the...
Oh, the text looks like a lot better.
Yes, I'm so excited, yeah. But I am going to have to adjust the intensity and maybe the contrast. But I do feel like the quality overall is much better. So, yay, I figured it out. Well, James and I did together. Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
This is officially the end of Printer Drama 2019. Or at least I hope. Hopefully, like, it continues to work, but it's at least doing what I want it to do. So, yeah. So we're good. We're good. We've adjusted everything, or we know we can. So now it's just a matter of like figuring out the new settings that I want, which that's gonna happen no matter what printer you get. It's just gonna be a matter of like playing around, getting the colors exactly the way that I want them, which I had to do with my old printer. But I can do that. I can change things. I can do what I want to do, and I'm really, really happy. So that means that tomorrow we can start working on stickers again. Hey guys, it's like a while later, and we have just been watching Parks and Rec for a while now. Now James is working on his computer again. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog. It's 8:30 and I need to edit yesterday's vlog and get that up. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, because once I do that, I think I'm gonna go take a bath and just like chill for the rest of the night. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, even though it was super, I feel like it was super short just because we went to church and so I didn't get to vlog like half of the day. But if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button so that way you can see more videos from us. You want to say goodbye?
Bye.
And click the bell notification, that way you're notified whenever we upload. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogtober.